I'm the vice president, so I handle a lot of different parts of the business, including the operations, sales, some of the engineering, and it's a very busy job because I get to deal with a lot of different components and a lot of different people in the business, which makes it very interesting every day.
I'm trying to make look right for the draft. Right now I need to have this bolt line up over on this side.
Well, this is a picture of our diaphragm or the model of it, and I'm going to run something called FEA, which is short for finite element analysis. And what it allows us to do is to get like an in-depth look at the stresses and what's going on inside complex geometry.
We make industrial clamp hubs, so we make clamp hubs to adapt, or couplings to adapt all types of different applications. I like what I do because you can end up seeing, you can see the product from start to finish, and it's nice to be able to see the finished product and know that it goes into the field and makes a difference.
One of the things that's really cool about being an engineer is, you're working with real problems, and so someone comes to you and they, something's not working, or their power plant's broken, and you get to sit down with them, come up with a productive solution, and actually take metal and turn it into something useful. And then at the end of the day, that power plant runs better. It's really easy to see the direct impact of what I get to do every day.